Peaceful, Easy Feeling by the Eagles. What an amazing song. Great for beginners, super easy, just got a handful of chords. And I'm going to show you a couple little cool walk-ups that'll make it more interesting and a few little extra notes. So I'm Steve, hope you're doing amazing, and let's learn this thing in under 3 minutes. So we start here with no capo, and it's in D major. And the main, verse and chorus are pretty simple. Let's start in D. I like the G, D major, G, D major, G again, and now we go to A7th. It's like an A major. Without that note, you just leave it open on the G string. Back to D major, D, G, D, G, and back to A7th. So we've done that twice. And when it goes into the chorus, I got a peaceful G, easy feeling. Back to D major, G, I know you won't let me down. Now it goes to E minor to A7th, but one cool way to do it is to do when you're on the G, and I know you won't let me down. It's you basically play an E minor, but put this finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. You could even hit the high note right there, but for the sake of this, I'm going down to the A7. And what's cool about that is by hitting this note, it goes down 1 fret like that when you go to the A7th. So it goes, because I'm already, now we keep moving, already D major to E minor, ready, standing, G major, A7th, on the ground, D, back to D. Now, again, another cool thing here, instead of just going, because I'm already standing, G major, A7th, you can do this little walk up where it goes pretty cool. So it's really easy actually. You play a D major and you remove the 1st finger off the G string and put it on the 2nd fret of the D string. So you just simply move it a string. So you go from this to this. Pretty cool. It looks harder than it is, or sounds harder, like this. Or you can take this finger off and go, but I like it best, because I'm already standing. Or you can do, if you want the low notes, now that's pretty cool. You basically leave these fingers from the D major right here, but take off this finger and use it for the E minor right there and play the whole thing. Already standing, yes I'm on. It does the whole thing. Ready, standing, on the ground. So the verse just repeats the same thing multiple times. The chorus does too until the very end. So hope it was helpful. Let me know what you think. And if you'd like to hear more Eagles songs, leave them in the comments. I'm Steve, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons, the best on YouTube. See ya.